How to log in to Rediffmail account. So if you want to log into your Rediffmail account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Rediffmail. And once you've searched, here you can go for Rediffmail, which is on the first search. Now to sign into your account, you need to go for this part. Or if you don't have an account, then you can go for create a new account, and you can create an account. But if you already have an account, then go for this part and then enter your username and your password. And once you've entered your username, you need to enter your password, and after entering your password, click on sign in. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password. Click on forgot password, and here you need to enter your email ID of your Rediff, and you can click on next so that you will receive a code or a link to the email address, and that will confirm that it's you. And then on the third step, you can get your new password, so you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and click on sign in. And after clicking on sign in, you will be logged in or signed into your Rediffmail account. So that's it. That's how you log in, or that's how you sign in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.